guys, welcome back to my channel and Tutorials. In this tutorial we will learn about PHP constant. Let's talk about PHP constant. Constant are like variables except that once they are defined, they cannot be changed or undefined. A constant is an identifier or name for a simple value. The value cannot be changed during the script. A valid constant name start with a letter or underscore. No $sign before the constant name. Syntax of PHP constant. To create a constant, use the define function. Name. Specify the name of the constant. Value. Specify the value of the constant. Case insensitive. Specify whether the constant name should be case insensitive. Default is false. Let's see the example of PHP constant. Create a PHP file. Constant.php. Write a program to calculate area of circle. Let's start writing a code. Save the code. Let's run the program. The output of the code will be this.